honor. Oh yeah, it was an honor, you know. I love Oprah too. She's like the most amazing woman in the world, you know.
She is. I mean, I
The Jeff Richard Show.
A lot of stuff related to extrasensory perception. And that includes psychic ability. That's stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition.
Now doing shows like this just to continually punish myself.
Show, isn't it nice?
yeah, but that's when it was the Jimmy Fallon show then.
Family's good. Everybody's good.
Everybody's really, really good. I got so many questions for you, Robert.
Oh boy, here we go. Dude. Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
A number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that. Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Well, about your hair, I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that.
And you?
No.
Or do you?
No, usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right?
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You ready to? No.
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.